Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you about Kaikeyi, one of the greatest person in the Rama's time, and whom who was insulted by almost 99% of people of Ayodhya and many other people, and one of the greatest character, but she got insults and high level derogatory words from the people of Ayodhya, and from the stupid people of Ayodhya and stupid people of other countries at that time. Kaikeyi is the one of the person who loves Lord Rama as her son more than anybody in the world, and even more than Rama's own mother Sumitra. She loves Rama more than anybody in the world, and more than her son Bharata. She loves Rama like anything. Rama has to go to forest in order to uphold the dharma in the society. So Saraswati Devi says to Kaikeyi that to make Rama to go to forest in order to uphold dharma. Because of that only she had to do all these things in order to send Rama into forest. We should understand that forests are happiest places than cities. Many Americans in America and European countries, people go to forests on their cars and do camping in forests and enjoy their like anything. Forests are like for enjoyment, and it is not the bad thing to go to forest or anything like that. Many Americans and Europeans, they go to forests in cars and they do camps, and in the tents they live for long days and they enjoy their like anything. It is not as bad these stupid serials and other things who propagate like this. Like forests are very hard places to live or anything like that. Kaikeyi means one who is always giving selflessly to everyone. Kaikeyi means one who is always giving selflessly to everyone. The third wife of Dasharatha is Kaikeyi, one who sacrifices herself and brings benevolence. Kaikeyi is one who stands by your side, although she appears differently. By outside she may appear differently, but inside she is very good. But deep within she does benevolence with cover. It is like a doctor who gives you bitter or sore medicine or a vaccination. As soon as the children sees him, they start yelling and crying, but the vaccination does good to them. Similarly, Kaikeyi, who apparently and outwardly is not pleasant, but inwardly does that what is good for you. We should understand that like that. Whole kingdom of Ayodhya hated her and scolded her with high level insults. Still, she bore all the insults and followed her dharma. Like that, we can understand how much pain she might have gone through because of these high level insults against her by the stupid people of Ayodhya at the time. We should inspire from Kaikeyi that of following dharma, even it tastes bitter and sour outside, but does good inside. Even we get hate, insults, tantrums from 99% of stupid peoples of kingdom and other people. Even we get insults, tantrums, and other things from 99% of the stupid people. we should follow dharma and do justice, and we have to act like as God want us to do. In initial days, through Ashwamedha Yaga, King Dasharatha begot the sons. The three names of the king also very interesting. Ramayana is a not just a story which happened sometime. It has a philosophical and spiritual significance too. The first wife's name is Kaushalya, which means skill. In Hindi, you say Kushalata means skillful. The second wife's name is Sumitra, which means good friend. There could be many friends, but not all are good friends. Many times, friends drag you in the wrong direction, take you in the wrong way. Sumitra is one who takes you in the right direction. The third wife name is Kaikeyi, one who sacrifices herself and brings benevolence. These are the three wives of Dasharatha. One can go analyzing on the Ramayana from spiritual perspective. It gives you some knowledge, some idea about the spiritual significance which is so eternal. Like that, Kaikeyi loves Rama very much, but in order to uphold Dharma, she sends Rama to forest by forcing her husband, like that. Like that, in order to uphold Dharma and justice in the kingdom, she has done many good things, and she is very good person. She got all kinds of insults, hate, and other types of tantrums from 99% of stupid people of kingdom of Ayodhya. Even though she bear all these things, and she even though she got high level mental torture from these things, she uphold the dharma. She uphold the dharma and does what Saraswati Devi want her to do. Like that, we should learn from Kaikeyi these things. Even though 99% of stupid people are opposing us, we should do good things and we should uphold the dharma at any cost. I will tell further details about Kaikeyi in further videos. Jai Gurudev.